now, man. Can we talk about the awesome sauce that is Zach Mack right now?
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Zach Mack. Give him a round.
Poncho, damn right. So part of the Smith & Myers show, one of the things that I enjoy about it is I get to take a moment and become part of the audience. So I'm going to step over to the side right here because everybody, you should know that the gentleman to my left is not only someone that I am fortunate enough to be in not one but two projects together, all in a creative space. My best friend, one of the most incredible people I know, my favorite guitar player on earth, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Zach Myers.
What you don't understand is legally, thank you. What you don't understand is legally he has to say that. I put it in our deal. So the other night we were in Huntsville and I go, do we have any 90s people in the crowd? Like, we love 90s music? It was the same reaction, by the way. I think it's just like a universal thing that like the 90s were great and everybody loved 90s music. Unless you're in a hair band from the 80s, the fucking 90s sucked for you. Unless you were like, we both lost only still in the middle of the night. The 90s got here and you were like, shit. And then all the 90s bands took over. So, do you know, would you say you're like, you know 90s music? Like you're good with 90s music? Alright, so if I was like, you are my fire, the one desire, believe when I say I want it that way. Tell me why. Ain't nothing but a heart. Tell me why. Ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why. I never wanted you to say I want it that way. 'Cause I never do that part. Alright, what if I went like this? It's driving me out of my mind. That's why it's hard for me to find. Can't get it out of my head. Miss her, love her, that girl is poison. Never trust a big butt and smile like her. By the way, listen, can we start a change.org fund to get Never Trust a Big Butt and a Smile added to the Declaration of Independence? This is my favorite 90s song.
Waterfalls.
Pedals are too close together. can see. She gives him loving and his body can't handle, but all he can say is, baby, it's good to me. How you doing? One day he goes and takes a glimpse in the mirror, but he doesn't recognize his own face. His health is fading and he doesn't know why. 3 letters took him to his final resting. Y'all don't hear me. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Poncho Mac on the guitar, that'll be right. You're moving too fast. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast.
Well, you sounded good. You sounded really good. I gotta give it to you. We started doing, literally the entire crowd started singing the Backstreet Boys part. And one dude goes, "Fuck this." I want to hear Simple Man. I want to get the fuck out of here. Okay, I know these kids are looking. Well, we did talk about adding the phrase, never trust a big butt to smile to the Declaration of Independence. And this is a song that us three on stage, and I know Brett feels the same way. Well, we have his proxy to do this one. We believe that this song is one of the most important songs written in history of the world. And we also believe that it should be the right of the world. And JR has even been quoted as calling it the very cradle of civilization, this next song. So we don't want to get too serious on you, but just for this next one we have to, right? South Carolina, you ready? It's a serious one, so. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you gonna take me home tonight? Oh, down beside that river line. Are you gonna let it all hang? Clap on the girls, you make the rockin' world go. Before I left
gonna take me home tonight. Out down the side there if I like. You gonna let it all hang. That bottom girls, you make the rockin' world go. That bottom girls, you make the rockin' world go round. That was pretty good. I like that.